So Rangahau was a little bit daunting at the beginning of the journey, but soon doors opened right in front of me. Kuia Kamatu assisted me and gave me blessing to use kaupapa Māori within this project, within my first project, and consequently with the other projects as well. Rangahau mentor that helps me with the way of kaupapa Māori and Māori ways under the umbrella of Te Māori. So when I went to Chile and Argentina, it was an experience with my indigenous people of South America, being able to share their bodies of knowledge and at the same time bringing the Māori bodies of knowledge, but being sure that I was also guided by the hand. So now Rangahau is part of my life, is a hoa haere, a constant companion that I will never leave. That will be part of my working life. If one day I'm not here, it will continue being part of my life, even when I retire, because it's part of me. It's part of putting there our new knowledge. And the way I feel is not just I, it's us as whānau. So if I can put a word there for other colleagues that I see sometimes they're a little bit frightened or not too sure of what they're doing, ask for help because the help is there. When you collect your data and your data, the empirical data is out there and it's been proven and it has created new knowledge, it's a great satisfaction from all of us. We rejoice in what we have achieved. And it's a journey that evidently doesn't stop because I don't know what else is there. And new doors are opening, presentations. Today I was asked, well, are you going to Norway for a presentation? No, I can't because I'm going to Chile as well. I don't know, it's awesome. But it's awesome because we are making a small contribution, but it is a contribution after all.